Good morning, students. Today for our lab, we're going to be using a material that we haven't used yet this year so far, and this is called a spring scale. And basically what this is, it has a couple different uses, but it might remind you of scales that you see at the grocery store. So basically we have this hook down here, and you can apply a weight to this spring scale, or a mass, right? And it'll tell you how massive the object is, all right? So on this side, it's measuring in grams, all right? So if I were to attach an object to this, like so, this object would begin to pull the scale down, and as it does that, it tells me how much these objects weigh or how much mass they have. So currently it's pulling this down to about 150 grams. So these three objects here together, their mass is 150 grams. However, the spring scale can also measure things in newtons, right? So this would be a force. So if you look at the other side, we have this capital N, right, for measuring forces. And it's basically the same thing. If I'm pulling on this, right, it's telling me the strength of the force that I am pulling the scale with. So for example, if I pull it with a little force like this, that's a 3 Newton force. So I am pulling on the spring scale with 3 Newtons of force. If I pull on it a little bit harder, you'll see it gets down to about 5. So I am pulling on this spring scale with a 5 Newton force, which is also 500 grams. And a 4 Newton force is 400 grams. And a 3 Newton force is 300 grams. You get the idea.